What up, guys? It's your boy G-Man here. We're going to do an unboxing review of the Manscaped grooming tool. I'm sure you all heard about this. It's been featured on Shark Tank, and it's been on advertisements all over the internet. And, you know, just there's been a lot of hype about this product. So let's see if it is built to what it is supposed to do. So let's open this bad boy up and see what it comes with, y'all. So let's do it. First off, the packaging is pretty nice. You got Manscaped written right on the box right there. And then you flip it over, it's actually got a Alright, so you're gonna flip this bad boy over and wow. Your balls will thank you. Alright then. That's a nice greeting to start the unboxing. So your balls will thank you. And it has additional products you might like. Stay Fresh Crop Mop. A Clean Start Crop Cleanser. It's a hair and body wash right there. So from head to toe, foot duster. Interesting. And then we got a finishing touch, refined cologne. Nice, nice. And then extra refinement. It's a shaving blade, I'm guessing. So it's a nice line of products right here. Let's see what else they got. So take that out. And then here it is, guys. It's the Manscaped Grooming 3.0. Pretty nice sharp blade right here. This is a pretty good feel. We got the power button right in the middle. Oh wow. They got that vibration. You got a light too? Wow, it's a flashlight and a trimmer built 2-in-1. Now that is neat. That is pretty cool. So you got the charging port right into the bottom. Manscaped. Refine the gentleman. Your balls will thank you. That's a funny catch they got there, but that's the grooming tool itself, guys. So it's pretty neat. Next thing, we'll take a look here. Looks like a bag for the grooming tool itself. Nice little bag, travel bag to put it in. So when you're on the go, you know, you can just put it right in here and take it with you anywhere for real. So this is nice to have. The next thing here, we got I don't know what the hell this is. Oh, it's a holder for the trimmer and for it to charge. Okay. So you place this here. You place the trimmer right there. And then it charges. Yep, definitely gonna need that. Alright, so the next thing, guys, we got here is a Reviver ball toner. It's with active pH control, made without sulfates, parabens, or dyes, gentle on the skin. Got some ingredients listed on the back and everything, instructions, so okay. Help your balls out with this, guys. The next thing we got here we got the Manscaped Preserver Balls Deodorant, okay. For anti-chaffing, okay. This is to help your balls, you know, when they're itchy, irritating. So this is help them smooth out, you know. Take a shower, then towel it off until your goodies are dry. Alright, and once we take this guy out, let's see what's at the bottom. A Manscaped bag. Oh, it's boxer briefs. Wow. they give you a free pair of boxer briefs, guys. This is very cool. Like, along with the kit, you get a free pair of briefs. Now that's what's up. Now that's a good item to put on your list. Then we take that out, and then we got, oh, it's another Manscaped bag to put everything in. Wow, this is a nice leather right here. It's got a zip at the top, and it's not bad, y'all. It's got a nice carry handle right here. So this is easy for travel too. Like, this is really cool. All right, the next thing we got here is looks like a newspaper. Now, why would they put a newspaper? Manscaped Daily News, we save balls. You heard it here first, guys. It's a Manscaped newspaper. They're gonna show you how to trim that bush, clean them balls, refresh that skin, and get them senoritas. You know, here, this is by far one of the most interesting packages I've ever received. Look, you got pictures of some gorilla bears here grooming each other. Oh man, they really thought of everything when they created this package. So that's funny and cool at the same time, yo. Alright, but there you have it, guys. That's the Manscaped Grooming Lawnmower 3.0 package. So it comes with all this material. Some cool freebies like this briefs here, the bag. And I definitely recommend you guys check this out because your balls will thank you. Alright, this has been a good unboxing, so I'll see you guys next time. Peace.